चलो 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 आर के भाई अरे चला 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 सबको इधर कैमरा तुम मुंह के अंदर डाल
Joining him on stage is someone who is excellent at catching talent in businesses but struggles catching villains in Dhoom. Please give up the one and only Abhishek Bachchan!
अरे बैठो ना
ओके नहीं चला
अरे चलो बैठो ना यार अरे बैठो ना यार कोई नहीं है कौन है आगे
I think we should also. Can we give them mics? Can we give everybody mics, please? Can we share everybody mics?
अरे सुनना बस 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 बस
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? All good? Feeling good? Shantanu Gautam, you guys are looking nervous. Yeah? Do you have Abhishek and Ranbir here owning teams? Did you ever think this day would come?
Not for me, but I think he is an avid gamer.
Shantu, this is like you've been at it for close to 2 decades now. This is a big deal for you. Yeah, can we give Shantu a mic as well?
थोड़ा फोन ले चले ना भाई
Just 3 minutes. It will
Alright.
take just 3 minutes.
All good. Are we playing it right now?
Find ourselves in one end where we are dreaming, we want to achieve something.
I want to tell something to you guys. Like in 2007, I came to Bombay to play this championship, World Cyber Games, and I slept on the pavements. I came locked up in the bathroom. I even ate from the dustbin. And then one Bombay guy, Amar Ratnam, bought me food for the next 3 days, and I defeated everyone, won from India. I played in 15 international tournaments. I'm the only Indian gamer to play for a US team for 7 years. I'm the only Indian gamer to get third in a world championship. And so I decided like I have to build something for the Indian gamers so that they can win medals for India, get Olympic medals, Asian Games. So that was the purpose behind it.
That's a phenomenal journey. Round of applause, yeah. It's really quite something. What a journey, huh? And I think the best way to cap this journey and start on a new one is perhaps we should unveil the
अरे यार ये फ्लैश नहीं चलो ना यार
फ्लैश का क्या काम
पूरा हो गया कैमरा है ना
Alright, I'm ready to unveil it, ladies and gentlemen. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, now that the league has been unveiled, should we get some gamers on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, please go up for the top gamers of the Indian gaming industry. Please go up for the ground for the one and only Scout, Gandhar and Kashmi. Can we have you on stage guys? Come on.
नीचे बैठा अरे अभी आ जाऊंगा भाई आगे मेरी बोल रहा हूँ
All right. Ranbir, Abhishek, I want to ask you guys. Did you guys play games growing up? What was your favorite game growing up?
I think I'm considerably older than most of you all here. So the first console I ever had was an Atari.
Okay.
Which is, I'm pretty sure, before their times. And obviously in the 80s and 90s, Atari, then Nintendo, and then obviously the PlayStation, which is what I play on right now. So yeah, I've enjoyed playing video games all my life.
What was your favorite one growing up?
Well, as a kid, it was first Pac-Man. There was a game called Quicks, River Raid. These are all 80s games. And then came
Scout is like, uncle, kya bol rahe hai? Ye kaun se games
Exactly,
hai?
exactly. But trust me, they're the coolest games, and they're all coming back into fashion now. Everybody's playing retro games. They're great. Then also the Nintendo Game Boy came about, so Super Mario, Tetris, these kind of games. And then when the consoles came in, I mean, once PlayStation came in, it was always been and continues to be FIFA, and that's something I think most of the film industry people play a lot of FIFA.
Yeah. Ranbir, do you play FIFA?
No, I think I retired in 2014 when everybody got way better than me. But like Abhishek said, I also started with the Atari, Nintendo, Super Mario Brothers. I remember Prince of Persia was a very famous game on PC. Contra was a fun game. But once you got into FIFA, then it was just FIFA. Of course, I've done the Halo on Xbox and all the other games, but FIFA is probably the best game I've ever played.
Yeah, but we saw that you did a lot of first-person shooter in Animal as well. But who's the best FIFA player in your business in the film industry?
I think Abhishek's played with the entire industry.
Yeah, I've played with Boman Irani actually.
Baman's the best FIFA player.
Boman is possibly one of the better FIFA players in India.
Really?
Yeah, he's insane. He's insane.
Damn, I would
Baman
not
Irani.
expect that answer.
Yeah. He plays every day for like 2-3 hours. He's crazy.
All right, okay. Scout, Sorry, what? Okay. Scout, tell me, how far has the gaming industry come in the last 5 years or so since it's exploded, right?
I think it's pretty much at it. There's so much more to come to our country, and people are so much interested into gaming nowadays. From the day we started, it was just one tournament in a year, or the privileged people used to play the games. But now it's like every single house, there's a kid who loves gaming, and they know that they can make careers because now they have a roadmap what we have set them for. For us, we were the first guys to step into the gaming industry. Okay, now this is our career. We had no second options. But all the mistakes what we had made and came here right now, I think the whole roadmap for the kids, they know how to climb the stairs step by step, where to go, where to start their journey. Either it's in competitive career or maybe in their content career. Everything is already set for them. So yeah, gaming industry is now growing at a very high speed right now.
I want to ask you, Ranbir and Abhishek, I don't know if they will know the new age gaming terminology, alright? I'm going to ask you some questions, see if you guys are qualified gamers, alright? Do you guys know, what does GG mean? GG. He knows, I know. I'm not asking him. You have no idea what GG means? Abhishek, do you know what GG means? You want to gander a guess?
GG is a game or it's a term?
It's a term. You say it at the end of a game.
Yeah, at the end of every game, you say it.
What?
At the end of every game.
At the end of a game,
Okay.
you say GG.
What is it?
You guess it. I obviously know it. I use it every day.
Game gaya.
Maybe. It's good game. It's good game.
It's a good game.
It's good game.
Bro. Yeah, it's a good game.
Yeah.
Good going, yeah. It's good game. Okay, what does AFK mean? AFK. AFK.
I was going to say,
I don't know, it's definitely no.
yeah, no.
AFK means away from keyboard. It's like if someone's in the game.
You know what check the gate means?
Huh?
Check the gate.
Check the gate.
You don't know?
No.
अरे यार film industry में काम करता है. You don't know what check the gate is?
But actually, Abhishek, that term has also gone. Yeah, it's because of digital. But before, when we used to shoot in film, when the take was okay, the director or the first lady used to say, check the gates to see if there's any dust or dirt on film.
Ah.
So did you all know that?
No. All right. Do you know what is noob? NOOB. Noob.
Ranbir knows.
Noob is, I don't know, like a loser, second place. You're such a noob.
Yeah, you're really bad at what you do.
Really bad at what you do.
Yeah, noob, you're a bad gamer. Alright, what does the triangle button do in FIFA?
You run through ball.
Through ball?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Through
yes.
ball. Through ball.
Yes.
How do you chip a ball in FIFA?
Depends. So, okay, chip. Yeah, no, it's square with this guy. Yeah, R1.
R1 and I think it's R1 and square.
He's right, he's right. Both.
He's like he owns it too, he's right. Do not ask him again. What is GLHF Scout? This even I don't know.
Tanmay, if I'm not mistaken, I've played you in FIFA.
You have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I remember you crying when you lost. You're actually asking me how to chip a ball.
We'll not talk about that. What does GLHF mean, Scout?
It's like good luck.
Good luck, have fun. Alright.
Actually, we don't use it a lot because it's a very long word.
Yeah, because in Indian gaming, we don't wish each other good luck anyway.
Yeah, specifically in the Mumbai servers, we don't wish good luck.
In Mumbai server, we're not wishing each other good luck. Okay. If both of you played FIFA, who would likely win? Abhishek would likely win?
No. We played together on the same team.
Okay.
Yeah, we play against somebody else, not against each other.
For you guys, like both of you who have invested in like sports teams, startups, when did you realize that?
Well, very honestly, we both entered the ISL in its first year in 2014, and around 2010 or 11 is when me and Bunty and we had done a lot of research on esports, and it was already as big as actual sport. And if you go to see the facts and figures today, you know, gaming is bigger as an industry than even say films are right now. In fact, it's about 3 times the size in terms of revenue. And
Look at them nodding.
Yeah, it's a fact. It's a fact.
Yeah.
And I remember reading in about 2011 or 12 an article in The Economist about the latest GTA that was coming out at that point in time, and the budget was $250 million then. So it just kind of gives you the scales of what gaming is all about. It's the future, it's here, it's going to be in the Olympics very soon, and it's definitely going to overtake everything else. What's really nice about it is it's very inclusive as well. So what I like about it is that there isn't just the physicality that comes into it, it's your talent as well. It is a lot more inclusive because it is relatively cheaper than actually becoming a professional sportsman. So I think it's the future. Many more people can partake. The kids have all grown up doing it. I mean, today, just on your mobile phone, if you see gaming is just part of everyday life. I mean, he'll tell you we're both girl dads, and even from like a very, very small age, educational tools are taught to you through games, which we weren't taught like that. So gaming is just a natural extension for the next generation. It's definitely here to stay, and it's the next big thing according to me.
Gautam, when I met you and Shantanu, you guys said something very poignant to me. You said that this league is something that the industry has not seen, and it is something that is needed. Why do you think that is?
So essentially, if you look at the world today, and especially India, right? I mean, our respected PM, he's already laid out a massive pavement to create the 21st century content creator economy. I mean, you talk about AVGC, you talk about waves, banning the real money gaming, and then focusing on skill-based gaming. So I mean, the stage is set now for the gamers to flourish. I mean, in India, if you look at the demographics, if you look at the 500 million plus gamers, I mean, gaming community, unfortunately, I mean, there isn't anything in the ecosystem where you can have more of Shantanus being, I mean, you can find more Shantanus and give them a platform. So at IGL, we are trying to create that platform so that we can find one Neeraj Chopra who can get us a medal at Asian Games, Olympics, Commonwealth or Olympics. So that is the mission, vision that we are kind of embarking on.
Shantanu, what do you think gamers today in the...
When I was taken by this US team Tempo Storm, they got me a mental conditioning coach, they gave me a health coach, a doctor, like everything, and I didn't have to think about salaries. In India, I played 500 tournaments and still I'm waiting for 400 prize monies. So that doesn't happen in the US. They were like made sure about, and even where the Formula One players are taken in the Red Bull health center, they took me there and means best conditioning, best coaching. And for World Championship, they prepped me for 2 months in Singapore, and I went to China, got third. So just think like the support they gave me. So if we can do something for the gamers here.
Kashmir, what does a league like this do for gamers?
I mean, I feel like although India is at its peak, as Tanmay said, we're still in a certain way at its nascency, you know. India still hasn't, in the global sense, India still hasn't made a mark as it should, and I feel like ISGL, thanks to Mr. Shantanu and Mr. Gautam, is something that can target the grassroots and put India there eventually. So I think that the ripple effect of this would be massive.
Ghatak, I want to ask.
We partnered with Chennai. We are on the jersey of Chennai and Bombay, Mumbai City both. So through the game, the ISL is watched by 140 million people. But through the FC Mobile game, we are reaching to 500 million plus people. So that was our bigger target, to reach more gamers.
Kashmir, you know, most people, we play games to unwind. But this is what you do professionally. And you, what do you do to unwind?
So I mean, for me, gaming is also a hobby. So when I'm chilling, I'm also gaming. I mean.
So you don't unwind. You're just always wound up.
I mean, it is therapeutic. Like there's casual games and there's those serious try-hard games. So the casual games I'm unwinding.
So you bring your professional life into your personal life as well.
I also have other hobbies that I'm fun at parties, okay?
Ghatak, what about you, yaar?
मैं तो मतलब गेम में ही 24/7 रहता हूँ और मोस्टली कभी कभी क्रिकेट खेल लेता हूँ।
और अभी मेरे को बताओ, ये 5 साल पहले जो हाल था और अभी है, अभी भी मतलब एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली लोग सवाल पूछते हैं कि क्या करते हो आप, कि सब कुछ चमक गया है अभी, कि गेमिंग एक इंडस्ट्री है, बढ़िया अच्छा खासा धंधा बन रहा है यहाँ पे।
यस, अभी सबको गेमिंग के बारे में पता चल गया है और आई होप आने वाले टाइम में इंडिया में और बूम होगा ई स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेमिंग।
Has it gotten much better in the last 5 years?
नहीं बोल सकते वैसे, क्योंकि आपने कोविड में देखा है, कोविड में सबसे ज़्यादा पीक पे था गेमिंग। थोड़ा सा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कम थी, मतलब कम अभी भी है, बट आने वाले टाइम में शांतनु है, मैं भी अभी मेरा खुद का प्लेटफॉर्म लेके आया अंडरडॉग्स के लिए, तो हम लोग जो कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं वही लोग मिलके आगे स्पोर्ट्स को और ऊपर लेके जाएंगे। इंडिया में 140 करोड़ का अपना देश है, जैसे चाइना भी स्पोर्ट्स को डोमिनेट कर रहा है, आने वाले टाइम में हम लोग मिलके 100% डोमिनेट करेंगे स्पोर्ट्स में।
Scout यार, एक मेरे को पता, if there is a young person at home who is thinking about starting his career, what is one honest thing you can tell them, whoever's watching?
यार देखो, मैं सच बताऊंगा तो एक सिंपल सा मंत्र है जो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ, इज अबाउट नेवर गिविंग अप फॉर द चाइल्ड हु हैड स्टार्टेड ड्रीमिंग ऑफ द गोल व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग राइट नाउ, कि तुम्हें वो चीज़ अचीव करना है, वो मत भूलो कभी भी। और लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं, एक पॉइंट आएगा कि आप 2-3 साल से मेहनत करो, आप उसके क्लोज जा रहे हो, स्टिल हार रहे हो, देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव अप एट दैट पॉइंट, बट आई फील एट दैट मोमेंट यू ऑलवेज नीड टू थिंक ऑफ दैट चाइल्ड हु स्टार्टेड ड्रीमिंग अबाउट द गोल व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव। आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन। एंड गेमिंग, बहुत लोग एक कंफ्यूजिंग चीज़ ले आते हैं अपने दिमाग में कि उनको पैसे कमाने हैं। आप पैसे के पीछे भागोगे तो कभी भी आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते। मनी इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट। आप अच्छा करो गेम में, सक्सेस हिट करो, यू गेट द मेडल्स, मनी विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली टू यू।
और ये सबसे ज़्यादा जो ब्रांड डील्स करते हैं आप कह रहे हो?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
Alright guys, before we wrap up quickly for Shantanu and Gautam.
Because if your brand is inside the game, they can't skip it, they will play the full game, they have to see the brand.
Gautam, any message for brands who are watching this, what to look forward to?
So for the brands, if you look at it, what we are trying to do essentially is create regional pathways, national highway and international runway. So regional pathway, we have 9 leagues, 9 franchises. So we are going to grassroots. We are scouting for the right talent and giving them an avenue or structure by which we can nurture the talent and give them a national kind of a highway. So we'll do the grand finale, that will be the national highway. And this is not a one-time event. This will be a recurring event that we will do. And then we are also talking to a lot of international federations where we'll also be sending a lot of our national winners to participate for international tournaments. and vice versa. So there are two federations that we are doing active discussions at this point in time. So in a nutshell, I think what we are trying to do is build a gaming ecosystem, and I have two small kids at home, and I believe the way forward is physical. It has to be a mix of physical plus digital. I mean, there is a gamer who is only a 15-year-old gamer, Faker. He is valued at $100 million. So, I mean, by gaming also, you can create massive wealth.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, on that note, thank you so much everyone for joining us. Shantanu, Gautam, all the best for your endeavor. Kashvi, Karthik Scout, thank you so much for coming. And Abhishek and Mandeep, thank you so much for coming. Thanks for stopping by everyone. Shall we do a quick photo op and call it?
बीच में आना मत नीचे बैठो, नीचे बैठ के मारो। चाचा नीचे बैठो, फोटो। अरे चाचा बैठो ना यार। चाचा अरे भाई थोड़ा बोलने चलिए ना थोड़ा ब्रो अरे पीछे से मारना हो गया भाई
So we have the presence here of Honorable Minister Shri Mandupalli Ramprasad Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. Sir, can you please join us here on the stage as well?
भाई बैठो नीचे अच्छा यार नीचे बैठ के ले लो ना यार हमारा फ्रेम खराब हो रहा है
वो आगे आ जा
अरे अरे क्या अरे वेदांत नीचे बैठना है वेदांत भाई अच्छा तो भी आप नीचे बैठो
भाई बहुत फ्लैश लगी आंखों में खत्म कर लगा
भाई सेंटर अभी तो लाइट ही कहाँ लगी
काशी भी आइए आइए साथ में आइए
थोड़ा मुस्कुराइए
थैंक यू सर चलो यहाँ पे सेंटर है क्या सेंटर काशी जी सेंटर
सेंटर